Hey candle crafters, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to experiment two popular waxes, beeswax and gel wax. Both waxes have their own properties, but what will happen if we combine them? We have both of the waxes, beeswax and gel wax, and we have two molds. I'll add links in the description of everything we're going to use in this video. First of all, I know gel wax is not suitable for pillar candles, and that is what inspired me to try mixing these two waxes. It will be fascinating if we can have glossy solid pillar candles. I melted the gel wax first and prepared the mold by adding cotton wick into it and then pour a little bit of gel wax. Then I added some red color, and I don't know why, but I just did it. So for this experiment, I melted both waxes separately and added one by one. Like first we added a little bit of gel wax, then here I'm adding beeswax, and then we'll add a little bit more gel wax, and then again beeswax and again gel wax, and we'll repeat the process until the mold is completely filled. As there's no information about mixing these two waxes together on internet, so I decided to do it, and there's going to be a whole series about it because we have to test mixing these two waxes with different ratios and with different process. So please subscribe our YouTube channel and like this video, and let's get back to our experiment. For second experiment, we'll melt both of the waxes together, and we're going to use daisy flower candle mold for this experiment. I forgot to record few things. Number 1, no matter which wax you're using, always melt them on double boiler. Number 2, make sure to preheat your molds and jars. And here I'm adding yellow color, and again I don't know why, but I just did it. And pour your wax into the mold, and ta-da! Where are you going? We're not done yet. Keep watching. Okay, we're almost done. I'm demolding it after 4 hours, and the result for this experiment aren't so promising. As you can see, the wick came out of the wax, and wax definitely isn't any near to the transparent. It's okay, we can try again with different ratios and with different process. And here's our other candle from our first experiment. This one turned out quite well. The transparency is not bad, but we need to try it with different process or with different ratio to see if it works out. I'm quite happy with the result of first experiment. We definitely need to improve it, and we will. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next one.